Welcome to Prince Adventure's room tour of Fishers Loft, located in Port Rexton near Trinity in Bonavista Bay, Newfoundland. We are your Newfoundland travel experts and we want to plan your perfect Newfoundland vacation. This room at Fishers Loft is really spacious with some really traditional furniture, some of which is handmade in Newfoundland. It has a coffee machine, small bar fridge, is heating and cooled, and there's some handmade granola as well to welcome you to your stay. It has a spacious king-size bed, and our guests really enjoyed their stay here. We are your Newfoundland experts, and we know that we can plan the perfect road trip so you can see all the sights you want to enjoy in Newfoundland. Fishers Loft includes binoculars, which we took on adventures as well. And of course, this well-appointed and spacious bathroom has awesome botanical products from East Coast Glow, which is handmade in Newfoundland nearby in Bonavista. We can plan the perfect holiday for you to visit the geological sites, history, architecture, wildlife, nature, of course hiking and whale watching in Newfoundland. Cozy up here in the corner with a good book, look out the window to see whales, and enjoy your stay here. Contact us today to reach out to find out how we can plan the best Newfoundland vacation for you. And if it's your first time to Canada, you don't want to miss views like this on the east coast of Newfoundland.